A local nurse accused of using patients' information to get drugs. Some new insight tonight into her state of mind.
From Central Ohio's news leader, presented in high definition, this is 10 TV News HD Breaking News.
Well, this local nurse practitioner we're about to tell you about is facing serious charges tonight, accused of stealing patients' identities to score prescription drugs. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jerry Revish.
And I'm Andrea Camber. And tonight we're told the woman who worked at the James Cancer Hospital at OSU was motivated by an addiction to painkillers. Our Lindsay Sievert is live with the story tonight. Lindsay?
And Stacy Wisner worked here at the Stone Ridge Clinic. It's associated with OSU's James Cancer Hospital. It's in Dublin here. Well, the hospital fired Wisner for, they say, accessing the records of up to 20 patients. And police say she impersonated one of those patients to get painkillers. On a Sunday afternoon, the pharmacist at this Grove City CVS received a strange call. Nurse practitioner Stacy Wisner ordered a large amount of narcotic pain pills, 160 Vicodin, for a patient. Police say the pharmacist then realized Wisner pretended to be that patient at pickup. He filled the prescription with placebo pills.
He went through his verification process and determined that it was a false prescription. Our officers responded, and as the defendant was leaving, they stopped her.
Police say Wisner's 5-year-old son was in the back seat. They charged her with identity fraud and deception to obtain a dangerous drug.
We're in the process of trying to identify any other victims that might be out there.
Wisner's attorney, Brad Koffel, says she fell into severe addiction after medical problems.
This is a classic example of a person who's led a law-abiding life, who's been a great nurse, that as a result of a pretty significant back problem, couldn't get the pain management under control.
Koffel says the pills clouded his client's judgment, and Wisner is now undergoing extensive rehab.
They're highly addictive to a percentage of our population, whether you're a nurse, a dentist, or construction worker, or firefighter. And this one just happens to be a nurse.
And we did speak to the Ohio Nursing Board today. They tell us Wisner made her nursing license inactive voluntarily after this incident. And now the investigation will be forwarded to a grand jury for review. And tune in with us at 6 tonight. We will hear from the victim in this case who was impersonated. We are live here in Dublin. Lindsay Sievert, 10 TV News.
Thanks, Lindsay.